Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to associate the app service certificate to app service domain using Microsoft Azure. For that, click on all services, search for SSL. You will see the app service certificate in the search results. Click on it. Click on add a new app service certificate creation form will appear here in the new plate. Give it a name, as I want to associate this certificate to the domain that I have just created, PyData IQ. I want to give it the name PyData IQ set, and you have to give a naked domain hostname. A naked domain hostname is the domain name without any subdomains or extended URLs associated with it, which is pydata.iq.com, and I want to use an existing resource group which I have used for creation of the domain. I want to select a standard S1 certificate. So the wildcard certificate will allow you to add this same certificate to subdomains as well. But with the standard, if you have a subdomain, you again have to purchase an explicit app service certificate. For example, you have pydata.iq.com, and this certificate will be available only for www.pydata.iq.com and pydata.iq.com. Suppose if in future you have created a subdomain called contact.pydata.iq.com, then the app service certificate won't be valid for the contact.pydata.iq.com. If you go for W1 wildcard certificate, it will allow you to apply the certificate for subdomains as well. For now, I am selecting S1 standard certificate, and I just have to read through and accept the legal terms. Click on OK, and it will say that the certificate creation operation may take 1 to 10 minutes to complete. Once created, app service certificate can only be used by other app services within the same subscription, and it says that you are having multiple subscriptions within the same directory, then also you can only use this certificate within the same subscription, which is Visual Studio Premium here. Let me click on create. As it's mentioned already, will take 1 to 10 minutes. I'm going to pause. Oh, it's so fast, lucky. And the deployment is in progress. Let's see what's happening behind the screens. Let me refresh. Currently there are no results that are being shown here. As and when the time progresses, they may appear here. What happens internally is it's binding the certificate to the domain. Here you see the PyData IQ certificate is created. Let me refresh. Here you see the deployment is completed in just 1.5 minutes. And let's go to the resource. Here you can see the overview, the configuration required key vault store. So all you have to do is create a key vault store and associate that to this app service certificate. This is just verifying that you own the domain that you have associated with the app service certificate. So all you have to do is configure a key vault repository. As I have already a key vault created, I will just use that. Now it's saving the key vault settings. It has saved the key vault settings, and the next step is it has verified by saying inputting the key vault. Next you have to verify the domain ownership here. All you have to do is, if you have already a domain registered in the Azure domain app service domain, then you just have to click on verify here. That could be done by clicking on this link. Ensure that you are able to see the domain that you have registered, which is spydata.iq.com. Now let's see, the domain verification token is created. And the next step is to assign this certificate to any app service. This is an optional setup. You can associate this domain and app service certificate to any app that you create on Azure App Service. That's all. Thank you.